Hey guys, so after the track day I did the video editing, and that's when I realised that I didn't have much footage of our cars and all that. Got a little bit of Tristan's car and Jeff's car, but that's really it. We didn't get any of Kewen's or any of mine, mainly because I was driving and you can't really hold the camera and drive at the same time. So I thought I would go out and spend some money to try and create better content and get some better footage and all that. So I actually went to Noel Lemmings and I bought two GoPro Hero 7s black and a shit ton of accessories. Yeah, I looked into it, and yeah, there's so many accessories you can buy for GoPros and all that, so I thought I'll go GoPro. So last weekend I went into Noel Lemmings in town and gave them a list of everything that I wanted, all the accessories, a big long page, and told them what's the best deal you can do on me on this. I was dealing with the assistant manager at Noel Lemmings in Hamilton's town branch, Hisson, and he actually hooked us up with a real good deal that we couldn't refuse. Yeah, we saved lots and lots of money because he gave us a real good deal. So yeah, shout out to him for hooking us up with a good price that we couldn't resist. So if any of you guys need anything from Noel Lemmings, go and see Hisson in the Hamilton town branch. He'll definitely look after you. He's friendly and easy to deal with, so yeah, go and see him. So this is all my GoPros and accessories that I brought, so definitely about to make some better content for you guys. Down here I've got the GoPro Hero 7 Blacks, I've got a smart remote, quick release mounts, tripod mounts, bike mounts, dual chargers, batteries, chest mount, head mount, waterproof case, adhesive mounts, suction cup mounts, arm, wrist and hand mounts, GoPro hand grips. I've got these 3 cases here that I brought, and when I brought the GoPros they actually came with these 2 backpacks as in a bundle, so I got those as well. Yeah, just got everything really, all the mounts that I basically will need. So yeah, definitely a lot of money spent there. So now I'm going to pack it all away, put it all into its cases and put it into its bag, and then I'm actually going to test some of these cameras out, try all the different mounts. I'm going to go down to my dad's workshop and give my car a quick wash, and then I'm going to do some driving and hook them onto the outside of the car and get some different shots and do some testing really, see what I can create, and yeah. Just on my way to Dad's workshop now, just heading there now. I've got the GoPro strapped on the bonnet, hopefully it doesn't fall off. It's wiggling around quite a bit, so I don't really want to lose it. I might just pull over and have a quick look at it actually. Fucking knew that couldn't happen. Fuck yeah, see you GoPro. Rip GoPro. Fucking GoPro just fell off.